Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Sea Ray that we just got into stock. This is the Sea Ray 270 SDX, or this 270 Sun Deck. So it has a nice big bow to it. We'll see that on the inside. But on the outside, we did the Sea Ray blue, full hull, full bottom, Sea Ray blue all the way across. Looks really nice. You can see that they actually inlaid that with the tower as well, so the Sea Ray blue, you can match that to the color of the outside of the boat as well if you'd like. We come to the back here, got a massive swim platform for hanging out with the family, anchored somewhere. We do have a ladder back here, and then we do have a submersible swim platform, so this can be pushed down into the water as well. You can sit on it or stand on it. Got a nice big sun pad in the back to kind of hang out with some cup holders and some USBs. So a lot of different stuff. Let's go to the interior, take a look at the rest of the options. All right, welcome to the interior. We're going to start with the bow. So like I said, the sun decks are nice and wide. You've got tons of space up here, maybe 3-4 people up here pretty comfortably. We do have the sun pad filler in there that obviously can come out and you can do a full walk. You've got the automatic anchor, windlass anchor up in the front. You got some nice drop-down armrests. You've got some speakers up here. Pretty darn comfortable to be up in the bow of this boat. As we come back to the cockpit area, on both sides here, you've got your captain's chair and then your co-captain's chair. Both of them do move, so you got a backrest if you want to face the other way. And then up here at the helm, this one in particular has the Mercury 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower with the digital throttle, all new throttle system for 2023 for Mercury. We've got the Simrad 12-inch display in here. You have your engine diagnostics, you got navigation, chart, echo, a whole bunch of stuff that you can deal with in there. We got some controls here for lighting, your anchor lights, your docking lights, and then the Fusion. So the Fusion stereo system, it's got the upgraded stereo package with upgraded speakers and subwoofer. Open this door here, we can kind of see you got the head in here, got a sink, very nice for a 27-foot, a lot of space in there to use. As we come towards the back, nice round configuration with plenty of places for people. And then I'll also show you, we got some nice storage, super deep down into here, lots of storage there. And then another option you can get on this boat is the built-in cooler with a refrigeration unit in it. So we got sea deck on the floor, we got storage all over the place. The 27 Sun Deck is perfect for going out with all friends and family, room for everybody. You got the tower and everything. So this is here at our Minnesota locations. Give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by. Have a great day.